Good morning, class 7 students. How are you all? Hope you all good at your home. So welcome back to the video series of your chapter number 2, and this is the last part. So I'm your computer teacher Shifa Monga from California Public School. As today date is 16th June 2020. In the last video we have started computer arithmetic. We have done binary subtraction and binary addition. In this video we are going to study two more arithmetic operation, that is binary multiplication and binary division. So let's start. So multiplication, as we know that how to perform multiplication on a decimal numbers. That means if I am talking about 2 and 2, both are decimal numbers, so 2 into 2 equals to 4. When we multiply two decimal numbers, answer will be in a decimal number. Here in this we are going to multiply two binary numbers and the answer will be in the binary numbers. So here is the chart of rules. So suppose you have two variables A and B, and A has some values and B has some values. Then how to perform it? Suppose your two numbers are 0 and 0. What will be the answer after multiplication? 0. 0 into 1. 0 into 1 equals to 0. 1 into 0. It's 0. 1 into 1, 1. Just remember one thing. Everybody knows that आपकी ज़ीरो को किसी भी नंबर से आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आंसर विल बी ज़ीरो. Here in this case 0 0. It is same in all cases that if you multiply 0 with another number, the answer will be 0. 0 0 0. We have present at least one 0. 0 into 0 0. 0 1 0. 1 0 0. Only one will be answer if 1 into 1 is there. Both the situations are 1. अगर दोनों situations 1 है, उसी केस में आपको 1 आंसर आता है, otherwise 0 0. Clear? So let's do a question. So here is your question. So let's do it. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. So after this let's add them. 1 1 1 1. So answer will be 1 1 1 1. Let's see what will be the answer in your book. It's 1 1 1 1. Clear? One more question is here. Class, one more question. So let's do it. 1 into 1 1. 1 into 1 1. 1 into 1 1. 1 into 1 1. Then multiplication. 0 1 0. 0 1 0. 0 1 0 and 0 1 0. Clear? Then 1 1 1. 1 multiply 1. 1 multiply 1 1. 1 multiply 1 1. So let's count them. Okay, 1 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 0 1. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 equals to 1 0. That means sum 0 carry 1. So sum 0 carry 1. Clear? Again 1 plus 1 1 0. 1 0 plus 1 sum 1 carry 1. Clear? 1 plus 1 0. 1 is carry. 1 plus 1 1 0. So let's see what is the answer in your book. It's 1 double 0 1 0 double 1. 1 double 0 1 0 double 1. Clear? So 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0 double 1 0 double 1. Clear? So So this is all about multiplication. So let's move to the binary division. Okay, the next is binary division. In this method, to perform division of two binary number is same as that of the decimal number. See the example. So here are no specific rules, because division is a combination of subtraction, multiplication, so there are no specific rules. So let's do one sum. So this is your sum, I have written it on the paper. So division is same जैसे आप बाकी मैथ्स में करते हो. So 1 1 0 and 10 is okay. So this is your divisor, this is your dividend. So let me light it. Okay, this is your divisor 1 0, it's not 10, and it is your dividend 1 1 0. So let's do it. So here we have 2 digits, तो आप dividend के कितने लोगे? 2 digits. 1 0 is smaller than 1 1, yes, तो आप यहाँ पे 1 0 1. Clear? So 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, and अब यहाँ देखो, you have 1 0 here but 0 1 here. Clear? So 0 1 is smaller than 1 0, so it's better कि आप ये वाला 0 यहाँ उतार. Clear? Next 1 0 1 0. Clear? It's 1 1 0, so your question will be C. Clear? So let's do one more question. So class, here is one more question, let's do it. It's your dividend, it is your divisor. So here is your dividend, here is your divisor. Your divisor has 4 digits, 1 2 3 4, एंड योर डिविज़र अगर यहाँ से हम 4 डिजिट्स लेते हैं तो ये वाला जो 1 0 0 0 है वो स्मॉल हो जाएगा 1 0 0 1 से. तो इट इज़ ऑलवेज बेटर टू टेक 5 डिजिट्स, क्योंकि अगर हम 5 डिजिट्स लेते हैं तो ये बिग हो जाएगा, ये स्मॉल हो जाएगा, तो हमें यही चाहिए. तो यू विल राइट 0 फर्स्ट. 0 क्यों? क्योंकि आप 5 डिजिट्स ले रहे हो. तो क्या लिखोगे? यू ऑलवेज हैव टू राइट फ्रॉम this side, from right. It's 1, this one, then 0, then 0, then 1. Clear? So now let's do subtraction. 0 minus 1, it's not possible. किसके पास गया? अपने फ्रेंड के पास. no help, then no help, then no help. yes, ये आप इनकी हेल्प करेगा. it will become 0. Now it will become 1 0. 1 0 is a binary of 2. ये 1 रह गया और इसने 1 किसको दे दिया? अपने फ्रेंड को दे दिया. Now it become 2. ये 1 रह गया, इसने अपना एक 1 अपने फ्रेंड को दे दिया. अब ये कितना बन गया? 2. अब ये 1 हो गया, अपना एक 1 किसको दे दिया? अपने फ्रेंड को दे दिया. और अब ये खुद क्या बन गया? 2. So 2 minus 1 1, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0, and this 0. Clear? Now we have a statement 1 1 1. this 0 will not be counted. ठीक है, आपके पास यहाँ पे 3 ones हैं और यहाँ पे 1 0 0 1. we have 3 digits here. आपको सिर्फ 0 के पीछे वाले digits देखने हैं. okay, so 3 digits here, 4 here, so it will be better. oh sorry, यहाँ पे 1 था जब यहाँ पे किया था, सो आई फॉरगॉट टू राइट. सो यू हैव टू टेक दिस 1 मोर. इसको नीचे उतार लो और 1 से फिल कैलकुलेट कर दो. 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 पॉसिबल है. नाउ राइट इट अगैन. ओके, सो 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0. okay, your statement is 1 1 0 and 1 0 0 1. so it is better to write one more time, और यहाँ पे भी 1. clear? So 1 0 0 1. Again count it. 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 0. So 1 0 0 and 1 0 0 1. So you have to take 1 और यहाँ से 1. So 1 0 0 1. So answer is 0. So here we have to perform binary division. So answer is, your quotient is 0 1 1 1 1, and here your quotient is 0 1 1 1, and remainder is 0. Clear? So you can also write this as that 0 0 0 1 minus 1 0. You can also write like this. Okay, so class, this is all about today's period. So we have completed our chapter number 2. So thank you so much. Have a good day.